Okay, let's go over the if function, one of the formulas. I've made a formula right here. I want to explain exactly what it is. Then you will see that the if function is a very simplistic function. Okay, we can look up here at the formula bar. Once we click on a formula, we look at the formula bar. And what is it saying? You start every formula out with an equal sign. It says if F7, which is right here, is greater than 600, comma, type this, good job. If this is not true, do this. A second comma you'll see right here. So all an if function is telling you is if this is true, do this. If this is false, do this. Put a 0. Now remember, this is not everybody's if function is this. It's just that whatever you choose to say right here, if it's true, the formula is going to do this and type this in. If it's false, it's going to put a 0 there. That's what this if function says. So you'll see. So what does it do? If F7 is greater than 600, say good job. Look at the next one. This is not greater than 600, so put a 0. This is not greater than 600, put a 0. This is greater than 600, so put good job. That's all that an if function is. It says if this is true, do this after the first comma. After the second comma, if this is false, do that. That's all it is if this is true, do this. If it's false, do this. That's it.